Sorry to say it, but I'm gonna have to ask you to leave this area because a snowstorm is about to erupt, and this is private police property. A snowstorm? But I'm homeless. Where will I go? You could go to the shelter down the street. I'm sure they'll be able to fit you in. Okay, I'll put my tent in my bag and leave. Hey guys, sorry. Sometimes I'm not a morning person, but today I'm gonna have to be for this video. So yesterday, the news reported a snowstorm and nobody can leave their houses, and it's actually very cold. I had the air on about 70 yesterday, so I'm gonna turn on my little furnace over here. Yeah, and then I'm also gonna put a sweater on and read some of my Bible till I am more awake. Hey guys, it's been about like 30 minutes now, and I'm starting to feel a little bit more awake, finally. So I am gonna put out this fire because it takes me a while to get ready, and I don't want the house to burn down. Like getting out stuff, and I'm gonna go downstairs for some breakfast. Okay guys, I know this is a day in, but I feel like I deserve a little makeover. So I'm just gonna put a little makeup on. Maybe a little more than a little bit. Okay guys, comment down below if you guys like my makeup. I think it's really cute. But I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna go get something to eat. Let's go. Okay guys, my little waffle was so good, like absolutely 10 out of 10, total slay. But I know you guys are wondering, Nyla, why do you not work out in the mornings? Guys, I only do it on weekdays. This is my actual relaxed time on the weekend, you know? And number 2, when did I move out and how am I 19 with my own house? I have a very long past and I moved out a few months ago, so yeah. But anyways, I am now about to do a little cleanup of my house and then we'll see where my day gets after that. Okay guys, so I've been cleaning for a while now, and guys, it's literally so loud outside. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but like the snow is really coming down, and literally all you can see is nothing outside because all my windows are covered with snow. So yeah, and also I'm really getting bored and I wish it wasn't snowing so I could just be outside, go to the cafe maybe. But anyways, I think right now I'm going to do a little bit of online shopping because I didn't get to do it yesterday because I was out shopping for this snowstorm. So, yeah. But yeah, I kind of want to get maybe some new earmuffs because it's becoming the winter season, obviously. And maybe like some new electronics, like maybe some headphones? I don't know. But I'm going to see. Okay guys, guess what? I got some new AirPods, I got a new sweater for this winter season, and of course, I also got a new diary. I'm so excited about it. It has like a little koala on it, and it even has a lock and a key, and I'm just so excited about it. Oh, guys, and also, I think my phone, oh, it's ringing. Hello?
Bestie, it's me. The storm stopped.
What? Oh my gosh. Let me check out the window. Oh my gosh, it actually did stop. This is great news.
Yeah, and since it stopped, do you want to go get something from the cafe down the street?
Oh my gosh, of course.
Okay, I'm heading there right now. Meet me there, girlie.
Totally, coming now. Okay guys, so as you just heard, the storm finally stopped, and I am about to go get something with my bestie from our main cafe down the street from us. But I think this is a good way to end the video, so with that being said, I will see you guys next time. Panned out, besties!